Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into something absolutely fascinating today. We're going to break down a highly repeatable, heavily systematized blueprint for monetizing a Facebook page using artificial intelligence. If you've ever found yourself wondering exactly how creators are turning totally standard pages into autonomous, wealth-generating systems without relying on just pure luck, well, you're in the right place.
Okay, let's dive into this. $32,556. And no, that is not an annual salary. According to the dashboard data we're analyzing today, that was one single month's payout on Facebook. What's even more mind-blowing? This was totally fueled by a page that pulled in over 314 million views in just a 28-day period. We're talking about daily payouts that range from around $370 on a slow day all the way up to massive spikes of over $2,400 in a single day.
So to truly understand this engine, we're going to walk through a 5-part playbook. First up, the 32K Facebook blueprint. Second, pick your profitable niche. Third, page setup and warm-up. Fourth, the repeatable content system. And finally, number 5, diversifying for maximum growth.
Let's start with part 1, the 32K Facebook blueprint, building the foundation.
Moving right into part 2, pick your profitable niche.
Look, if someone clicks on your page and it's just a random, scattered mess of topics, they're going to bounce. You have to stand for something specific. Let's look at 3 completely different but highly successful approaches. First, we've got what we'll call the hustler. This method is all about volume, posting a staggering 50 to 100 times per day, just blasting a mix of images, text, and reels. Then there's the faceless AI. This one is brilliant because it proves you absolutely do not need to be a traditional face-forward influencer. They just pair super simple AI graphics with nostalgic phrases. Get this, in one of the examples from the source, an AI-generated image of a squirrel simply saying good morning pulled in almost 6,000 likes. It's crazy. Finally, we have entrepreneurship facts, dominating with over 640,000 followers by just pairing AI images with motivational quotes. The big takeaway here? Find a focus lane, stick to it, and realize you don't even need to show your face to win big.
All right, part 3, page setup and warm-up.
Before we get to the fun stuff, we have to do the unsexy groundwork. Your first big decision is between a personal profile and a business page. Now, while some personal profiles definitely do get monetized, it usually requires sharing a ton of your behind-the-scenes, day-to-day family life. For this AI-driven playbook, a business page is 100% the definitive route you want to take. Plus, here is a massive tip from the data. Older business pages tend to get invited into Facebook's content monetization program way faster. So if you've got an old page just gathering dust somewhere, that might actually be an absolute goldmine.
Now, setting up that page doesn't mean you need to go hire a high-end designer. A super simple cover photo works perfectly. In fact, the creator we're studying used a literal screenshot of their website. The crucial part here is signaling to Facebook that you're a serious, committed creator. You do that by connecting your other Meta-owned accounts, like Instagram and Threads, and linking a verifiable website. Also, keep this updated policy in mind. If you are starting a brand new page, you got to post consistently for at least 30 days before they'll even consider you for monetization.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the painful lesson the creator learned here. Check out the incredible disparity between these two numbers. For a year and a half, they were operating without that little blue Meta verification checkmark, which costs what, about $14.99 a month? But when their page was mistakenly suspended, they had zero access to Meta support because they weren't verified. The lack of a $15 checkmark resulted in a suspension that cost them over $30,000 in lost revenue. If you're serious about this business, pay the $15. Protect your asset.
Once the page is set up, you have to warm up the algorithm. You basically need to act like a highly engaged user in your specific niche. Scroll your feed, like content, drop real comments, and follow similar pages. By doing this, you're literally training Facebook to serve you viral inspiration directly to your own feed. And lastly, make it a habit to check your professional dashboard to ensure there are 0 violations against your page or your personal profile. Be super careful with this, because a hidden strike on your personal account will completely block your page from getting monetized.
Which brings us to part 4, the repeatable content system. This is the core engine.
I want you to let this quote sink in because it's the central thesis of this entire strategy. The reason most people struggle is they're trying to be creative instead of being repeatable. You don't need to guess. You don't need to sit around waiting for spontaneous bursts of creative genius. You just need a system.
Creating that system starts with curating guaranteed hits. You source inspiration by finding content that has already proven it works with audiences. X, formerly Twitter, is unbelievable for finding highly engaged text posts. Instagram is your go-to for proven reels, and Reddit,
Well, that offers endless ideas within hyper-specific subreddits. As an example, this creator found a single post on X with 3.1 million views and 1,900 bookmarks, and they instantly knew their Facebook audience would just eat it up. But there is one platform to avoid: TikTok. For this specific workflow, it's just a major time-draining distraction.
Let's move to and see how this builds into an actual plug-and-play AI assembly line that lets you comfortably post 25, even 50 times a day. Step 1. Simply screenshot that viral post you found on X or Reddit. Step 2. Feed that screenshot directly into a ChatGPT model that you've already trained to understand your brand's specific voice. Step 3. Prompt the AI to generate a polarizing, engaging caption plus a dedicated first comment to help drive that initial engagement. Step 4. Take that text and schedule it into specific time buckets using a tool like Post Planner.
Now, if you actually want to post dozens of times a day without completely burning out, you must follow this mantra: batch, batch, batch. This is an absolutely vital time-hacking technique. Do not do these steps one by one. Gather all of your screenshots into a folder first. Then, run them all through ChatGPT second. And finally, schedule everything at once. That compartmentalization is the ultimate secret to high-volume output.
And finally, Part 5, diversifying for maximum growth.
Let's break down exactly where those 314 million monthly views are actually coming from. Traditional photo posts are doing the heavy lifting here, pulling in a massive 66% of the total views, while Reels account for about 32%.
And this brilliantly illustrates the contrast between where the views come from versus where the actual money is made. While photos generated 66% of the views, they only account for 51% of the earnings. Look at that middle chunk. 32% of the total earnings are coming directly from Meta's bonus programs. Reels then round it out, making up 15% of the cash.
Now, even though Reels pull in a smaller slice of that direct ad revenue, they are a massive catalyst for overall growth. The strategy? Don't reinvent the wheel. The creator just grabs a text concept from a proven viral reel on Instagram. They lay that text over incredibly simple, relatable B-roll footage, literally just a video of themselves playing golf straight from their phone's camera roll. Finally, they use a custom ChatGPT prompt to craft a tailored caption, complete with a call to action. It effortlessly captures attention, and you don't need a high production studio to do it.
Let's talk a bit more about those Meta bonuses, because they can be incredibly lucrative and surprisingly simple to trigger. The source data highlighted a really specific recurring bonus structure. If you can get just 2 posts to reach 1.5 million viewers within a rolling 7-day period, Meta triggers an automatic $480 bonus. It's essentially a bounty program that rewards you for creating highly engaging content.
Which brings us to a final piece of insider theory. We'll call this the 30-day Reel rule. If you've been following all these steps to a T, but you haven't been invited to the monetization program yet, the prevailing theory among top creators is this. On top of your scheduled photos and text, you need to publish at least 1 reel a day for 30 days straight. Showing that aggressive consistency in Meta's preferred video format drastically increases your chances of triggering that elusive monetization invite.
So we've unpacked the niche selection, the structural setup for your page, the exact AI assembly line you need to use, and the real data behind the revenue. This system completely removes the guesswork and it runs on autopilot. The blueprint is proven, so the only question left is, are you ready to press publish? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and we'll see you next time.